Ozempic weight loss prescription near me in Mount Dora, FL. What is Ozempic and how does it work? Ozempic is an injectable prescription medication that helps control blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. It contains semaglutide, a glucagon-like peptide-1 receptor agonist, GLP-1RA, which works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called incretin. Incretin helps to regulate blood glucose levels by stimulating insulin secretion and reducing the production of glucagon. But what does this have to do with weight loss? Well, Ozempic has also been found to have a significant effect on appetite and food intake. By reducing hunger and increasing feelings of fullness, it can help people to eat less and lose weight. So, whether you have type 2 diabetes or not, Ozempic could be a game changer for your weight loss journey. Why is Ozempic so popular among celebrities? If you've been following celebrity news lately, you may have noticed that a lot of famous faces are raving about Ozempic and its weight loss benefits. But why? Well, for one thing, Ozempic is incredibly effective. In clinical trials, people who took Ozempic lost an average of 12 pounds over 26 weeks, compared to just 3 pounds in those who took a placebo. But perhaps more importantly, Ozempic is also easy to use and has minimal side effects. Unlike other weight loss medications, which can cause unpleasant side effects like nausea and diarrhea, Ozempic is generally well tolerated and only needs to be injected once a week. How does Ozempic compare to other weight loss medications? There are a lot of weight loss medications on the market, so how does Ozempic stack up? Well, according to a recent study, Ozempic outperformed other GLP-1 RAS like Victoza and Bydureon in terms of weight loss and blood sugar control. It also had fewer side effects and was more convenient to use. So, if you're looking for a weight loss medication that really works, Ozempic might just be the answer. Can Ozempic registered help you lose weight without diet or exercise? We all know that diet and exercise are key components of any successful weight loss journey. But what if you could lose weight without having to make major lifestyle changes? While we wouldn't recommend relying solely on Ozempic for weight loss, it is true that some people have seen significant results without making major changes to their diet or exercise routine. Of course, individual results will vary, but if you're struggling to lose weight despite your best efforts, Ozempic could be worth considering. Is Ozempic safe for everyone? Like any medication, Ozempic does come with some risks. It is not recommended for people with a history of pancreatitis or thyroid cancer, and it may not be suitable for people with certain other medical conditions. That said, Ozempic has been extensively studied and is generally considered safe for most people. If you're interested in trying Ozempic for weight loss, talk to your doctor to see if it's right for you. And remember, while Ozempic can be a powerful tool for weight loss, it should always be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and exercise routine. How can you get started with Ozempic? If you're ready to try Ozempic for weight loss, the first step is to talk to your doctor. They can help you determine whether Ozempic is right for you and give you instructions on how to use it. Once you have a prescription, you can pick up Ozempic at your local pharmacy. It's important to follow the dosing instructions carefully and to be aware of any potential side effects. With the help of Ozempic and a healthy lifestyle, you could be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in no time. Why should you choose Ozempic for weight loss in Mount Dora? If you're looking for a weight loss solution that really works, Ozempic is a great choice for several reasons. First of all, it's incredibly effective. With an average weight loss of 12 pounds over 26 weeks, Ozempic outperforms many other weight loss medications on the market. Secondly, it's easy to use and has minimal side effects. Unlike other weight loss medications that can cause unpleasant gastrointestinal symptoms, Ozempic is generally well tolerated and only needs to be injected once a week. Finally, Ozempic is backed by extensive research and has been shown to be safe and effective for most people. So, if you're looking for a weight loss solution that really works, Ozempic could be the answer you've been searching for. Learn about Mount Dora, FL. If you are ready to take the initial step in the direction of a much healthier, more positive you, then now is the moment to enroll in our Ozempic weight management program. Our program is developed to aid you reach your Ozempic weight management objectives in Florida while giving you the assistance and expertise you need to be effective. From individualized meal plans to individually training, our program is tailored to your specific needs. So do not wait any kind of longer, subscribe currently and start on your journey to a much healthier, better you. Ozempic is a medication used to treat type 2 diabetes and aid in weight loss. It is a once-weekly injection that can be self-administered. Ozempic works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called GLP-1, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce appetite. Ozempic has been shown to help patients lose an average of 12–14 pounds over a 26-week period. It is approved for use in patients with a BMI of 27 or higher who have at least one weight-related medical condition. Ozempic should be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and exercise program for best results. Patients may experience side effects such as nausea, diarrhea, or vomiting when starting Ozempic. Ozempic should not be used in patients with a personal or family history of medullary thyroid cancer or multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2. Patients should inform their healthcare provider of any medications they are taking before starting Ozempic. Patients should monitor their blood sugar regularly while taking Ozempic. Ozempic may interact with other medications such as insulin or sulfonylureas. Patients with a history of pancreatitis should use caution when taking Ozempic. Ozempic is not recommended for use during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. Patients should store Ozempic in the refrigerator until ready to use. Patients should not share their Ozempic pen with others. Patients should follow the instructions provided by their healthcare provider when administering Ozempic. Ozempic may lower the risk of cardiovascular events in patients with type 2 diabetes. Patients should inform their healthcare provider if they experience any unusual symptoms while taking Ozempic. Ozempic may be covered by insurance, but patients should check with their provider for details. Patients should not stop taking Ozempic without consulting their healthcare provider. If you are looking for an Ozempic weight loss clinic in Lake Wales, Florida, the best place to find one is by searching for Ozempic weight loss near me in Lake Wales. Medications such as Ozempic and Wegovy, semaglutide, injections can be administered at these clinics to help people reduce excessive body fat and reach their weight loss goals.